All right, boys and girls, before you lose your head, yes, Chevy will pause the production of the Corvette. But wait, don't go anywhere because we have a lot to talk about because it's not what you think of. There's a lot of people running around like a chicken with their head cut off, thinking, oh my God, Chevy is ending the production. We knew it. The 01 was the last one, or the C8. No, it's not like that. Let's get into it. We have a lot to cover because they are pausing it. And it's going to be for a lot of improvements and a lot of upgrades to the lineup of the Corvette. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. There's a lot of you who watch these videos, who watch a lot of these videos, but they're not subscribed. Guys, we come in here, we do all this work, us YouTubers, we put a lot of time and effort into this. The only thing we ask is for you to subscribe. I mean, again, if you don't like what you're watching, then, I guess you don't, but please, it really does support the channel. Anyway, so let's get into it. So what is going on? Chevy will pause the Corvette production, but before you freak out, before you run around, it's only for project improvements. So let's get into it. A spokesperson spoke to Motor One, and we're obviously covering the Motor One article, and it says they're confirming that the factory will be down for the week of February 24th, the last weeks of March, starting March 17 and the week of the 19th. So according to the spokesperson, these pauses are for project improvements and manufacturing updates. Are we going to be able to see the Grand Sport finally come to play, the C8 Grand Sport? I really hope so. Remember, the Grand Sport was introduced into the public in 1963 as a factory build car, and nowadays those 1963 fetch tons of money because they were only made in limited quantities. Those were done to race against the Shelby Cobra in Europe. Fast forward, they were reintroduced in 2010 with the Corvette Grand Sport, and I think it's one of those that shouldn't be missing from the lineup. And we could kind of get hints that maybe that's what's coming. Look, the Corvette E-Ray is amazing. I love the fact that you can mix a hybrid with ICE engine. I just love it. So there could be some changes. The article goes to say it's not uncommon for automakers to temporarily pause production, especially when it relates to specialty vehicles like the Corvette. However, these pauses come at a time when with some uncertainty in the Corvette world. Longtime Corvette chief engineers, the Corvette chief engineer pretty much retired, and recently the company parted ways with Harlan Charles, the former Corvette product manager and Chevrolet veteran of 37 years. Now, unofficially, it appears that the Corvette exterior design manager Kirk Binnen has also separated from the company, and I apologize if I murder your last name, has also separated from the company. Though the nature of separation is obviously unknown, there could be some major changes coming for the vehicle. There's been a lot of talk that the Corvette's going to get a completely new refresh and remodel for the near future. So the production also presents potential larger question. Is this a prelude to some physical changes of the Corvette? And the rumors are heavy that an updated interior have persisted for years. And a post at the mid-engine Corvette forum also mentions that the possibility of the new Grand Sport could be entering the scene. Now, the Corvette E-Ray debuted in 2023, but the Grand Sport hasn't shown up yet. And the Grand Sport has been around since 1963, reintroduced out and then coming back. It's been an out and out. But there's people who love the Grand Sport. I'm one of those that love the Grand Sport. So are these pauses simply to aim for new inventory levels of the Chevrolet sports cars and reshuffling the workforce for like better efficiency? We don't know. Is the Grand Sport gonna come in? It almost likely looks like it can't come in. Look, a lot of these companies are going EV, are going electrical. We saw Dodge, we saw the Challenger, we saw the Charger. The king of the hill right now stands with the Mustang and then the Chevy Corvette. Obviously, those are the two that are carrying the weight for the V8 world right now. So it would be nice to see another add-on into the Corvette lineup, meaning the C8 Corvette. So the pauses are pretty much necessary. It's pretty much to upgrade for future improvements, and hopefully it brings a new spice to the Corvette lineup. Change it a bit, change the interior a bit. They've been talking and rumoring a lot about the interior getting changed. I've been reading about the interior change for like the past 3 years. When it comes to the Corvette, I thought it was going to be a huge change for the new C8. To me, it really wasn't. I kind of like the C8 Corvette interior, but it's kind of like a hit and miss with a lot of people. But hopefully the C8 Grand Sport will come into work. But as of now, starting February 24th and the last 2 weeks of March, starting on March 17 and the week of May 19, if I got it wrong at the beginning, the plant will be closed, and hopefully it's going to bring some new ideas, some new improvements, some major upgrades. By the way, the plant is at Bowling Green, and it will halt production, and a lot of people will take off to hopefully refresh everything up. But now remember what I mentioned. There's some key players in the Corvette workforce that are not there anymore. So hopefully this will bring new ideas. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, remember, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. I'll see you guys on the next one.